हाँ हेलो बबली। हाँ बेटा मम्मी बोल रही हाँ। हाँ बेटा। हाँ अनिल जी दे बर्थडे दी बहुत बहुत बधाई होए तेनों। हाँ बेटा। हाँ हाँ बहुत अच्छा दिन है ना देखो। हाँ कर्मा वाला दिन है। चल अनिल जी ਨੂੰ बहुत बहुत मुबारक दें है। हाँ ਆਹੋ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਗੁੱਲੂ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਵਾਰ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਰਪ੍ਰਾਈਜ਼ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ। ਇਹ 5 ਸਟਾਰ ਹੋਟਲ ਖੁੱਲਿਆ ਨਾ ਰੋਜ਼ਗੇਟ, ਉੱਥੇ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਸੀ 500 ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਹੋਏਗੀ। ਹਾਂ ਪਰ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਬੇਟਾ, ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਬੁੱਕ ਕਰਾਉਣ ਹੀ ਲੱਗੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਤੇ ਮੂਡ ਬੜਾ ਹੀ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਕਿ ਚਲੋ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਚਲੋ ਸੋਲੀਟੇਅਰ ਦੀ ਡਾਇਮੰਡ ਰਿੰਗ ਹੀ ਲੈ ਆਵਾਂ ਅਨਿਲ ਜੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਆ ਮੈਂ ਆਰਡਰ ਕਰਨ ਹੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਸੀ ਬਬਲੀ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਦੇਖਣਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਮੂਡ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋਇਆ। ਚੱਲ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ, ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਨੇ ਆ ਪਰ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਅੱਜ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਗੁੱਲੂ ਨੇ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਬਬਲੀ दीदी को बोलो कि एक ਜ਼ੂਮ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਲੈ। ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰ 500 ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੂੰ 1000 ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਵਾਈਟ ਭੇਜ ਦੇ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਖਰਚਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ। ਹਾਂ ਤੂੰ ਮੂਡ ਨਾ ਖਰਾਬ ਕਰੀ। ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ ਨਾ। ਹਾਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਖਰਚਾ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਹਾਂ ਬਸ खूब ਵਧੀਆ। ਇਹ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਾਰਟੀਆਂ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਣਾ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ।
अनिल जी बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो ने आज भगवान ने कितना खुशी का दिन दिता है। सारे गायन इकट्ठे हुए थोड़े बर्थडे वास्ते और थोड़ा स्मेलिंग फेस कितना अच्छा लगता है। फिर कितने अच्छे कपड़े पाए हुए ने अनिल जी, बोलो तो सही। अच्छा और बस थोड़े बर्थडे ते आए हैं तो बड़िया खुशियाँ करने पे भगवान से बड़े खुश शुक्रगुजार हाँ कि पाने इतना अच्छा दिन दिता है। ईश्वर करे थोड़ी खूब लंबी उम्र होवे, तो भगवान से देवे, प्यार कर दे, तरक्की होवे, जो तुसी सोचो भगवान थोड़ा पूरा करे।
यूं तो हमने लाख हंसी देखे हैं, तुम सा नहीं देखा हो, तुम सा नहीं देखा। Happy birthday, young man. Congratulations. Today you are wiser by another year. May God bless you with long, happy, healthy life to share this wisdom with family and friend for years and years to come. Our best wishes, lots of love, always. Have a great day and years ahead. Love you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Anil, wishing you a very very happy birthday. I still remember 75 years ago when I was in Dera to welcome you into this world. And Ma was so excited that she even gave me 10 rupees. Well, we've come a long way. I wish you all the best for the future. Anil, I also remember the day 50 years back when you put 10 people in the car front seat and took everyone for ice cream to CP. I think you need to do it once more.
Anil, we both want to wish you a very happy, healthy and joyful 75th birthday.
Anil, as you celebrate this milestone birthday, it's inevitable that memories come to mind. From the childhood pranks, from the trials and tribulations of graduating from high school, and the ease with which you got a summa cum laude at Akron U's computer science master program. All of these memories, plus some of the memories of all the nice vacations we took during your summer trips to the US and in Canton, Ohio, from shoveling snows in the winter, in the dead of winter, to the sunny beaches at Hilton Head, Florida, and many other places that were there. So just want to wish you a very, very happy, healthy, and joyful 75th birthday.
Cheers.
Okay, let's see.
Cheers.
Here's a remote toast on your 75th birthday. And once this pandemic is over, we will celebrate in person. Cheers.
Cheers.
नमस्ते अनिल जी, आपको 75th बर्थडे की बहुत बहुत मुबारकें हों। भगवान करे हमेशा आपका बर्थडे इसी तरह खुशियों भरा आता रहे और खुशियाँ मिलती रहे, सारा परिवार खुश बाश रहे, यही हमारे भगवान के आगे प्रार्थना है। और कबीर बेला को उनको भी बहुत बहुत मुबारक।
Have a fabulous birthday, Anil ji. Enjoy your celebrations. Enjoy celebrating life with your family and friends. And wishing you good health and happiness. Love to Bubbly Didi, Bella, Kabir and the baby. Take care.
Anil ji, first of all the best on your special day. I think Mum and Lena have covered it all except for the liver. All the best. Keep that liver going. We need it for another 25 years. We've got to start enjoying these fine wines for the next 25 years. All the best.
Happy birthday, Anil ji. God bless you with the mostest. Best of health, spirits. I've had such amazing holidays with you. The first one being in Pahalgam, do you remember? And then the amazing trips we've had in Bombay with you. And then the latest one being Goa. Looking forward to many more such landmarks. Waiting to celebrate with you. Cheers to your health.
Congratulations, Anil ji. Happy birthday. Wish to celebrate with you very soon. All the best.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, Jaji.
Happy birthday, Jaji.
And many, many more to come. Have a blast. Enjoy yourself.
Yeah, we are missing the party. Party अभी बाकी है. आपने हमारे को यहाँ बिठा दिया है. No problem. We will have a party together.
When we come back.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Anil ji. बहुत बहुत जन्मदिन मुबारक हो. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के हो 50,000. You and your wife be happy, prosperous, and आपको ये बार बार खुशियाँ हो. And we keep doing congratulating you again and again.
Happy birthday, Anil ji.
Happy birthday, Anil ji.
आपको जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. भगवान आपको बहुत खुशियाँ दे.
Happy birthday, daughter. I like playing games with you and doing everything. I really like playing Uno and chess with you, and I really like playing carrom board and Ludo and every game with you. I really love you. Happy birthday. I really like plucking mangoes also with you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anil. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Anil. Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. It's a special birthday, and we definitely have to have a big party for it whenever the lockdown lifts, and it will lift someday. And we've had beautiful memories with you, and we will always cherish them, especially the one where I couldn't jump into the blue grotto because of my fractured back, and you did it. So let's hope we have many, many such memories again and again. Wishing you all the best in life, always.
Anil, it has been lovely knowing you over these years and the good times that we have spent together. I am really missing the Thursday lunches which all of us enjoy. Unfortunately, this lockdown has stopped those, but those old memories are lingering on, and I'm hoping soon this lockout will get over and we start our Thursday lunches, which we really look forward to. God bless you. All the best.
I just want to say I have a friend in Delhi who's simple, sincere, ever smiling, unassuming,
And obedient.
and obedient. His name is Anil Bhatia. Many happy returns of the day to you, Anil. May you live 1,000 years.
Hi Anil, happy birthday. Take care. I'm going to send you very nice birthday wishes in Sanskrit and Hindi. I'll just send it to Sabina. When you cut the cake, then you play it. It's very, very beautiful. God bless. Take care.
त्वं यशस्वी तेजस्वी ओजस्वी चिरंजीवी कीर्तिमान बुद्धिमान श्रद्धावान भक्तिमान सात्विकी बुद्धि सात्विकी धृति सात्विकी भाव निष्काम कर्मयोगी भव.
Hi Anil, happy birthday. Welcome to the club. Anil, our families have been friends for more than 50 years now. And I have known you for a good part of that, maybe 40 years. You have been a great friend, a thorough gentleman, and a lovely person to be with. I wish you all the happiness in the years to come and pray that we all enjoy the benefit of our company, mutual company, for many more years together. Have a good time. Let it all hang out, as they say. Now you can do whatever you want and you will never get blamed for anything. Good luck and God bless.
Happy birthday, Anil. We have such fond memories of all our trips and all our dinners and lunches together and fun with all our kids. You don't look 75, so keep it up and have a great year, and we are waiting for the party. Happy birthday.
Hey.
Happy birthday, Anil. You are a perfect gentleman. Many, many happy returns of the day on your special platinum birthday. We wish you a very, very happy, long, healthy and safe life. सबीना, अनिल आपकी सारी ज्वेलरी में सबसे प्रेशियस हीरा है.
Anil, many happy returns of the day. You are a special friend and a special part of the family. Wishing you all a good life and a good health throughout. And we value and we continue to have your friendship. Thank you.
Happy birthday again. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Anilji. May God bless you. And I have just written a small poem for you from Sabina's side. So, Sabina आपको कह रही है, इतने मेरे पास हो फिर भी क्यों उदास हो, इतने मेरे पास हो फिर भी क्यों उदास हो, महसूस हो जो हर घड़ी वो प्यार का एहसास हो, महसूस हो जो हर घड़ी वो प्यार का एहसास हो, तपते रेगिस्तान में बढ़ती किसी की प्यास हो, बेतहार महंगाई में किसी गरीब का लिबास हो, रग रग में मेरी ही बसे इतने मेरे पास हो. This is from your beautiful, gorgeous wife.
We wish you a very, very happy 75th birthday and many more, and I hope we meet each other a lot more. Now let her talk, then I'll talk again.
Hi Anil, happy birthday. I remember you as a cousin who really treated us to lots of ice creams and pampered us so much, taking us to Regal for the softie, and have got great fond memories of you.
And ever since Sabina messaged about the video, I've been thinking of our Monday days after dinner when Dad, poor guy, would go to sleep, you, Mom and me would go out every night, have juice, go to movies. Those were the days. Have a great time and we wish you all the very best.
Happy birthday, Anil uncle. Wish you good health and happiness. Looking forward to our next family vacation. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Anil ji. I wish we were in India or you were here. We could have celebrated. But wish you all the best. Hopefully we can do another trip soon. And
Happy birthday, Anil. And don't forget, 75 is today's middle age. So you've just entered middle age. You've lots and lots and lots of years to enjoy yourself. And hopefully some of them with us. Okay, so until next time we meet, goodbye and enjoy yourself. Okay, bye.
happy birthday.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, endless joy and great health.
Hello Anil, a very happy birthday for a special person, for a very special birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arnold Cha-Cha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Arnold Cha-Cha. Happy birthday. Hope you have a fantastic day and a great year. Wish we were there to celebrate with you. Have a good one. Bye. Bye, Arnold Cha-Cha. Hope you have a great birthday.
Hi, Arnold Cha-Cha. I hope this video finds you safe and healthy. Just wanted to wish you a happy 75th birthday. The years have gone by very, very quickly. I can remember fondly the many trips and vacations that we have taken together. And I'm sure you can remember at least me being a little kid, having to change my diaper, take me in the car to put me to sleep. Appreciate everything that you've done for us over the years. It's been quite a while, and that since we've met. Hopefully in the next couple years we can get together and talk about the old times and all the good stories, and would like to wish you future health and happiness and many more years to come.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arnold Cha-Cha. Cha-Cha-Cha. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a happy birthday, Arnold Cha-Cha. I hope all is well with you and that we get to see you soon. Bye.
Hi Anil, wishing you a very, very happy 75th and hope you have a wonderful day and many, many more happy, healthy, blessed years to come.
Enjoy your time with Sabina. I'm sure you did for the last pretty close to a couple of years. You'll be a golden jubilee couple.
And we'll join you soon after.
And stay very, very healthy and enjoy in the coming years. And hopefully we'll get to see soon, somewhere, someplace. Stay healthy, enjoy. There's much more happiness to come in the future. Take care.
Take care,
Bye.
guys. Love you. Enjoy your day. We'll miss the celebrations, but in spirit, we'll be with you. Take care.
Bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy 57, Anil!
अनिल भैया बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you,
Anil Bhaiya.
happy birthday to you,
Anil Bhaiya.
happy birthday to Anil ji, happy birthday to you.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Anil. Wish you all the best in life. Sabina and you have been very special to us. We are lucky to have friends like you. Stay happy and blessed always.
Happy birthday, the special one to you, my dear Anil. I remember when I met you, we were living in the same neighborhood, almost next to each other. And when I met, we were schoolboys. 60 years back, we were just 15, I think. And we were playing together. We were playing in shorts And I remember your Dadi ji used in the morning fresh makhan and lassi. We used to also get in our house. I used to enjoy that, a noble lady. And of course, and then I went to Germany and you went to America, came back, and our friendship, that time I never knew that is going to be that strong. Today, we are so close to each other that on every Thursday we have a special lunch, we go out, different restaurants we try, along with Chand Bhai, Winnie. Now we go every Thursday for lunch together with the Chand Bhai, Winnie, Chaudhary, and Kailash Wadhwaji. So we really enjoy sometimes we miss also, so it's a little busy or so. But our friendship has grown into very strong one, and we enjoy always being there together and for each other. Wish you all the best, the very best, and stay safe, happy and blessed always, Anil and Sabina and your family. Stay blessed.
Looking forward to a grand celebration after the lockdown. Looking forward to it. Stay happy.
Yeah.
Blessed always.
Thank you. Have a great day and a great years to come. Enjoy. Thank you.
Hi Anil. I want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. And this is probably one of the rare birthdays where we are not able to attend a party. But don't you worry, we will take it next year from you. Enjoy your day and do let us know how did you feel after your birthday.
Hi, my friends. Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you with good health, wealth, and of course, Italiano blondes for you. Keep it up. All the best. Thank you. Take care and enjoy.
La 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 la. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. तुम जियो हजारों साल में दिन हो 50,000. हो तुम जियो हजारों साल में दिन हो 50,000.
Happy birthday, Anil.
When we see your charming smiling face, you look like a cute little boy.
I'm sure Sabina must have got floored with your 100-watt smile.
On your glorious 75th, we
wish you good health and you always remain cheerful and spread happiness with your lovely smiles.
Happy birthday, Anil,
and God
bless you.
14वीं का चांद हो या ख्वाब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो. 14वीं का चांद हो. This was from Sabina to Anil.
Best friend.
My dear brother Anil and my best friend. A song for you. बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anil. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, many, many, many happy returns of the day. Celebrate great birthday in lockdown. Congratulations, Sabina.
Hello. Here's a bag full of love, good wishes and greetings from Neeru and Madhukar from Chandigarh on your landmark birthday, Anil Bhai. शमा में अगर नूर ना होता, तन्हा दिल इतना मजबूर ना होता, हम आपको खुद विश करने आते, अगर आपका आशियाना लॉकडाउन में ना होता. Always seen you as a happy, pleasing, calm personality, evergreen personality. Anil bhai, so never change. We love you as you are. Wishing you good health and happiness always.
Happy birthday, Anil. Have a great day. Cheers.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday. I wish we were all together celebrating it. We have the sweet memories of earlier times spent with you, Mummy, Papa at Pusa Road, and celebrating it. Have a great day. Celebrate with family. But do remember us when you cut the cake. We'll all taste it. Wish you a very, very happy birthday once again.
Hi Anil, Dolly and I wish you a very happy birthday. Blessed to have you as a friend. It has always been a pleasure to spend time with you. Sending you smiles for this special day. Wish you very happy, healthy and great years ahead. God bless you.
Hi uncle, a very very happy birthday. Such messages are so difficult because you want to say so much and you have to confine yourself to little words. Our journey started with the China trip. That's when we came to know each other, and what a wonderful time we had. And since then it has been better and better, knowing you and Auntie. Now those trips have turned into almost Elmer trips, which is Shirdi, where we go every year, which is I think even better. Uncle is always there, tall, handsome, dependable, always there to help, and we wish you hundreds and hundreds of years. People like you always leave a stamp wherever you go. Keep healthy, stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Over to Atul.
Hello uncle, a very very happy birthday. May you have 100 more years and we celebrate it together with you and the family. Uncle, it's been a great pleasure and honor to be associated with you. You've been always a source of inspiration, a man of few words, and always there to help. Wishing you all the very best in life. Thank you, Uncle.
Happy birthday once again.
A very happy birthday once again.
Hi Anil, happy birthday to you. क्या हाल है? बहुत दिनों बाद बात हो रही है. God bless you and very 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 happy birthday to you. Okay?
Hi
Bye.
Anil. ये उषा जी थी, पहचानते हो कि नहीं पहचानते हो? पता नहीं कितने सालों के बाद हम लोग आपस में एक दूसरे को विश कर रहे हैं. ज़माना हो गया जब दरिया महल में इकट्ठे रहते थे. पुरानी यादें देख देख के सोच के हम लोगों को आजकल के दिनों में पुरानी फोटोएं देखते हैं.
अभी भी आपको भूले नहीं है.
तुम्हारे बच्चों तुमने वो सबीना ने फोटो भेजी थी, उसमें ममता, बबलू और आपकी बेटी बैठी हुई थी. हमने देखा, बहुत मज़ा आया देख के और बहुत एंजॉय किया. वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. थैंक यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anil uncle. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
A very happy platinum birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Anil, wishing you a very happy birthday. जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. We are missing you on your birthday. I wish we could meet together on a special day and had a big party with you. I'm remembering those days when we would meet very often. We would go out for dinners and you would serve me nice drink. I'm missing that drink today. I'm still remembering the days when we had gone to Nepal and we had such fantastic time, and to Jaipur. And the time when you would come with uncle to our house and you would enjoy the rabdi and all those things. Let us meet again. Let the lockdown be over and then we'll have a big party from you. Naresh has written something very nice on you and I share the same feelings. I'm giving to Naresh now.
Hi Anil. You know Anil, we have been thinking of finding a suitable word for you, especially since I find you that you are neither overjoyed in happiness nor you are sad in any adversity. And with difficulty and with the help of Wikipedia dictionary, we could locate such a word not in English, not in Hindi, but in Marathi language. and is pronounced in Marathi language, in Marathi as Sthit Pradnya, but it is written in Hindi as Sthit Pragya. So much for that. Anil, we are really happy to have a friend like you, with so many qualities. You are caring, you are soft-spoken, highly educated, an entrepreneur, helpful, and above all, you are a dedicated family person. And these are the qualities which have made you move in life in an exemplary manner. And none of the negativity of the environment or society has affected you. Both you and Sabina are really moving in life in a ageless and graceful manner. With such a thing, age is just a numeric number and definitely not applicable to you. Anil, when we are face to face, we are not able to say such things in person. We are not good at expressing ourselves. And that is why I am able to say all this, because I am looking into a camera and I am offline. We want you to know that we love you for the bottom of our heart, and we really wish for your long life and good health. Again, wishing you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day.
Hi Anil. Happy birthday, Anil.
I'm enjoying your birthday with champagne.
Enjoy your day. Looking forward to see you all. Missing you.
Happy birthday, Dad. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Dad. Wish you all the love and happiness. Thank you for being a doting grandfather and a great mentor to us.
We all love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Nanu. We miss you.
Hey Dad, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. We all are missing you a lot. I wish we all could be together on your birthday, but we'll definitely celebrate when we get a chance to be together. Love you, Dad.
Nanu, we hope you enjoy your special birthday, and us 3 kids will have an extra slice of pastries and lots of ice creams to celebrate your birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hey Dad, hi, happy birthday Dad. It's a very special milestone birthday, so have a lot of fun, enjoy, party and have lots of ice cream. We'll celebrate with you when we are in Delhi. See you soon.
Nanu, I wish you were here in this summer.
Happy birthday, Anil. I'm not recounting wistfully and longingly at the days we've had together and the good times and what fun it was. I'm looking ahead to more fun, more travels, more joy, more glee, and of course, eating out.
I love you, Tatu. Happy birthday, Dad. I'm gonna sing a song for you.